Today's review is on some beautiful passion twist hair from Believe. It's in a color 1B27. Beautiful, beautiful style. This is the product that I use to twist my passion twist with. This gives me a lot of slippage and also puts moisture in the hair. And this is the glueless full cap wig that I will be using to make this passion twist wig. The information on this one will be down in my description box. The latch hook was a free gift from the Believe company. It's going to be included into your package of passion twist. This is the method that I use. I like to spin it around in my hand so I can get a good grip on it, and also it makes sure that that passion twist is twist back correctly. And then I just pull both through, the hair and the passion twist, and I turn that knot that I want it to be straight up in the air, is all I could say, on my passion twist. And as you see, that's where it's at, right in front of my plait that I plaited my wig with. Yes, I said plaits, girls. Yes, I'm from old school, so I plait the hair. I did not use the rubber band method, but you can use the rubber band method to make your wig, whatever works for you. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I am pushing the crochet hook through the passion twist, and then I will pull the hair through that passion twist and pull it through, and then you won't be able to see that plait that I did on this wig, and the passion twist will look really, really nicely. So just check it out, okay? Keep watching. And once it's in there, you just pull, 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 pull. And the more that you pull and stretch, that hair will go inside of that passion twist really, really nicely. So now what I want you to do is to keep watching for my review. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of my wig. Yes, came out really, really nicely. Very, very lightweight. And I think the reason because it's very, very lightweight is because of the hair that I use. I just did not want to have a permanent style because I review hair and wigs all the time. So I could not just stick with one style. So I decided to make my own passion twist wig. And the hair that I use is from the Believe company off of Amazon. Listen, the hair was very easy to work with, to do my passion twist with. I showed you in the beginning of the video how I did my passion twist by adding products to it. It's up to you how you twist your passion twist. That just works for me. I only use 5 packs and I have this left. I may add some more into this wig on the back. The hair, I received some shedding and I did receive some tangling in separating the hair. This 1B27, I noticed that this color is a little bit drier because I have been twisting passion twist for a couple of days with a color number 1B30. And so that wasn't as dry as the 1B27. So just a notation that 1B27 may be a little dry, okay? Yes, guys, this came out really, really beautiful. I did a review on the Believe company before, and it was the block head that you make your wigs on. So click on that link above and check out that review as well. Okay, thanks guys so much for watching. All the information will be down in my description box. Okay, bye-bye.